welcome to the class. Today's class is the noun number. Okay, we will discuss about the noun number. The very important topics for English language. We have to know very attentively. Okay, we have to listen and understand very attentively. It is very important topics for English grammar or English language. So we can start our class. If you have any problem or question, you have to ask. Okay, without feeling hesitation. Huh? Actually, now the previous classes we discussed about nouns. Okay, nouns. Actually, it is also nouns, but it is a kind of nouns figure. Countable nouns can be both singular or plural. Okay, countable. We knew that countable or uncountable in the previous classes. Okay. Today's the topics is the number. It is a part of countable noun. Okay. Countable noun can be both singular and plural. Okay. They are number. In which topics we will discuss about singular and plural, that is called number. Okay, that is called number. Singular number. If anyone asked us that what is singular number, the answer is a singular number, a singular noun names one person, one thing, one place, one idea. It is singular number. Okay, a singular noun names one person, one thing, one place, one idea. It is singular number. Clear? Plural number. A plural number names more than one person, thing, place, idea. More than one. Okay? Singular number is one person, things, place and idea. But in the plural number, we see more than one person. We see a name more than one person, thing, place, idea. More than one. Okay. Here, there are many ways we can change singular to plural. Okay. There are many ways. Here we will discuss about 8 ways. Okay, 8 ways change. It is very important. These are very important for number. Basically, it is enough for number. Okay. How we can change singular to plural? There are 8 ways. Okay. One is here we add s to form plural. Okay. We add s, okay, to form plural. Most of the words, most of the nouns, okay, most of the nouns change, okay, change into singular to plural by using s. Okay, by using s. Most of the nouns change singular to plural by using s. Okay. For example, boy, boys, book, books. Okay. By this way, we can give example many example we can we can face there here. Okay, books,
pen,
toys, pen, pens. Okay.
dog,
Actually, most of the nouns change singular to plural by using s. Actually, we add s to form plural. Yes. Okay, to form s. Actually, it is the number one. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
We add s to form plural. Okay, most of the nouns. Most of the nouns. Then two numbers or two OA or two rules. Okay. If a noun ends in s, e, double s, sh, ch, x. When we see a noun, that noun ends, okay, or ending s, ss, sh, ch, x, then we have to change by using es. By using es. For example, brush. Okay, brush. The noun ends with ss. Ss, clear?
Yes, sir.
The noun ends, stop with sh. Okay. Then we have to
class,
form plural by using es. Okay. Brushes. Okay. What is brushes? In the two rules we have to use es, because if a noun ends in s, double s, sh, ch, x, when we see this symbol or letter at the end of a nouns, then we have to use es for forming plural. Okay, for forming plural.
class,
Catch actually verbs, not nouns. Okay, catch actually verbs.
glass,
Glass, glasses. Hello.
Yes.
Bench, benches.
ox, bus,
Foxes, ox no. Buses, etc. Okay. No bus. Yes, bus.
class,
Buses. There are many example. Okay, there are many example. Just we have to give some example. Okay, for understanding. But when you will practice, you have to use more nouns. For actually, but we can go in the next rules, number 3. Okay, if a noun ends in a consonant. Hello, if a noun ends in a consonant plus y. Consonant plus y. When we see in a noun at the ends point, okay, consonant plus y.
y,
When a noun ends with consonant plus y, then we have to use for forming plural, okay, or to form plural, ies. What is ies?
baby,
Baby.
story,
Here y consonant plus y.
yes,
At the end of the noun, we see consonant plus noun. Then we have to use to form plural ies. What is ies? Actually, y is y will drop. Y will drop. Replacing by es. Actually, y replacing is. We have to replace y by is for forming plural. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
The fourth number is if a noun ends in a vowel plus y. What is a vowel plus y? When we see in a word, that word ends with vowel plus y, then we have to use only s, or we have to add only s to form plural. Okay. For example, boy y before vowel. Okay. Vowel plus y. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Boy. Only s. We will add s only. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Vowel plus y. We will add only s. Clear? 5. Some are irregular. There is no gradually or equal rules. Okay. Many words, many figure or character. Okay. There is no maintain a rules. Okay. By this rules, some are irregular. Children. Okay. Children. Oxen, etc. Okay. There is no a continuous rules. There is no here, no flow. A rules continuous. Okay, continuous way. One word, one changes. Another word, another changes. Okay, different changes. It is a this example you have to memorize. Okay, you can't you can understand without memorize without memorizing. Okay, these rules you have to memory. Okay, or you have to memorize. For learning, for etc. 6 is if a noun ends in f-f-e. If a noun ends in f-f-e, changing the f and fe into vs. Okay. When we see in a noun ends with f or fe. Okay. We have to replace f or fe by ves to form plural. Okay, or for forming plural. We can give an example here. Wife. Here we see the noun ends with fe. Okay.
Yes.
For the reason when we will make plural from, then we have to use or we have to add wives, ve, replacing by ves, fe replacing by ves. Okay, wives, selves, bookshelf, selves. Exceptional may be here, may have here exceptional rules. Roofs. Though here is f, but No use VES. Okay. It is exceptional. Huh? The exceptional. The exceptionals are you have to memorize. Okay. These are memorizing point. 7 number. If a noun ends in O, when we see in a word, in a noun, that the noun ends with O, huh? Then we have to add for making plural form, okay, for making plural, ES. What is? ES. Mango. Mango O. Huh? Mangoes. Huh? Potato. Potato. Potatoes. Okay. For O. Okay. For O, we add ES. Okay. The last number 8. What is? The last number 8 for compound noun. For compound noun. Compound means more than one words make a noun. Okay. More than one word in a noun. More than one word. For example, father in law. Okay. Father in law. 1, 2, 3. 3 words. Make a noun. Okay. For a compound noun, it is called compound noun. Okay. Add in main words. What is main words? Main word is it. Huh? We have to use S for making plural. Okay. Father-in-law, fathers-in-law. Huh? Fathers-in-law. This is the numbers detail. If you understand clearly, it is enough for number. Okay. You have to use. You have to. You can give answer and you can write and you can use about number anywhere, any places, any situation, any. Okay. Where. So we will discuss in the next class in the with the new topics. Okay, we will come back with the new topics for no more today. Okay, thank you.